Hi everybody, today we are going to code and see how we can move the different trash to the different dustbins. So we have the taco as the first trash which should be going to the green organic dustbin, and then we have the plastic glass which should be going to the recyclable dustbin, which is a blue bin. Okay, and so we'll start with coding with the tacos. We'll go to events when green flag is clicked, and whenever a green flag is clicked, we want the taco to be showing on the screen. Okay, so we go to looks and we click on show. We drag that. Now we want the taco at the beginning of our game should be placed here, so we put it here and we go to motion and we say XY. Go to XY. After we're done with that, we now go to control and we add the if else block, this one. So we say if the taco is touching the dustbin, so touching, if the taco is touching the green dustbin, okay, then the taco will hide. It won't show if it's touching the green correct dustbin. So we go back to looks and we look for hide and we make it hide. And we make it hide maybe for 3 seconds or something, okay? But if it's not touching the green dustbin and if it's touching the blue dustbin, so again we go to control and we add this. If it's touching the blue dustbin, so we say touching, sensing, touching blue dustbin, okay, then it will go back to its original position. So this is the original position, so you duplicate it and then you put it here. Okay, now we want this to keep on happening again and again forever, so we put the forever block here and then we put it under the codes here. Now let us try to see if the codes actually work. So we take the taco and we put it on the blue dustbin, which is the wrong dustbin. Let's see if I drag it here, what happens? Does the taco hide? So I'm gonna move it here. No, it goes back to its original position. But if I move the taco to the green dustbin, it hides. It's gone because that is the correct dustbin. So we are happy. We have managed to do that. Now what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be coding for the plastic cup in the same way. We start with events when green flag is clicked and we go to looks and we say show. We want the dustbin to be showing, right? We want the glass to be showing, okay? And then we want the glass maybe at the beginning of every game to be here maybe. So we put it here, then we go to motion and then we click on go to XY, okay? After we do that, we are going to go to control and then we're going to be using the if then else block. So now if it's touching the blue dustbin, so touching, if it's touching the blue dustbin, which is a correct dustbin, okay, so what will happen to it? It will hide. So we click on looks and we make it hide, okay, and maybe it will hide for 3 seconds maybe, okay, that's upon you. You can choose your timing. After it hides for 3 seconds, or else if it's touching the green dustbin, so we need to code if again. If it's touching the green dustbin, touching the green dustbin, okay, then what is going to happen to it? It will go back to its original position, which is this one. So we duplicate this and then we put it here, and we want this to happen forever and ever. So we're going to add the forever block here and we're going to put this here. Now if we stop and restart, let's see, here is our plastic cup. If we put it on the green dustbin, oh, it moved back. Again, if I put it on the green dustbin, it moves back. But then if I add it to the blue dustbin, it disappeared. If I add the taco to the blue dustbin, it goes back. But if I add it to the correct dustbin, it works. Okay, so that is how we create our game. Thank you.